Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to download GTA 5 for free on your PC or laptop. So first open up your browser and search for Steam Download. Then click on the first link that pops up and then hit the install Steam. And once it's done downloading, go ahead and install it. Now, when you open Steam, it'll ask you to sign in. So if you already have an account, just log in. If not, tap on create account and make a new one. It's pretty quick. So I couldn't sign in on my end because of a small issue. So I'm just gonna walk you through the steps on how to do it. And after you're signed in, you'll land on the main page. So go to the search bar and type in GTA 5. Click on it. Select your birth date. If it asks, then hit view page. Now just scroll down a bit and click add to cart. And then after that, hit view my cart, then continue to payment. So from here, choose your payment method and fill in your card and billing info. Then click continue. And once the purchase is complete, head over to your library and click on the home section. And then you'll see GTA 5 there. Then just hit install and that's it. That's how you download GTA 5 on your PC or laptop. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on the next one.